Hey guys, it's your girl Renee, and I'm out. And today is harvesting day. I got my snippers, and I got my scissors, and I got my bowl, because it is time to get these collard greens. Because I am going to cook these collard greens up today with my dinner. So let's get this party started. So I have these collard greens over here that I'm going to go and get first. So let's go get them. And I have some over on this side. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, so let's go this way. And see these ones down here in the corner. Can you see those down there? Yep. Those are the ones I'm going for. Move these out the way. Get in here. These good looking collards. These are amazing. Look so good. So good. Alright. Let's check these collard greens out. And let's go get our final ones. These are looking so good. Don't you think? I think these are amazing. So I got a big old bowl of these. So we got one more set of collard greens to get. And let's go on over here and get the ones out of this tire. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that one. But let's see. Can you see those? Prop you up to where you'll be able to see. Bring it down some. Can you see those? Alright, let's get these out real quick. Alright, let's take these. Alright, let's go take these and let's go see what our collard greens look like. I know they're going to be fabulous. It is a crisp, cold day. So let me put you up here. Raise you up so you can see these ones here. Move you back some. And bring it down so you can see. Do you see all these lovely collard greens that I was able to get? These are nice. Look at the size of these. Nice and healthy. Looking good. Look at these. So I think these are going to make a nice little dinner with this one. Beautiful for a fall little dinner. I'm going to fry these up. Make sure there's inspect them. Sure there's not any little bugs or critters on these bad boys, because we will be eating these tonight for sure. They did pretty good. Some of them have a little bug damage, but majority of them look pretty darn good. Yes, they do. All nice, looking good. No, I think every fall I am going to grow a whole bunch of these, because they have done so well for me. It is so cold out here, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But look at this. This is nice to be able to come out in your garden and be able to have wonderful fresh greens like this. Don't you guys think? I think it's amazing to be able to come and have wonderful greens like this. So you guys, this is your girl Renee, and I just wanted to say I am so thankful to have you guys here while I'm here trying to get the little collard greens together. We are going to be doing some good eating today. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let me know how you like my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that I'm doing a great job, and also hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever I have a video coming your way. And once I fry these up, I will come back and I will exactly let you know how they look, how they taste. But you know what? Look at this. This is gonna be amazing. Look at this. Come on, you guys know y'all want to eat some of this. Look at this. And it's fall. I'm out here in my jacket, cold, and I'm still harvesting stuff from my garden to feed my family. And you know what? This is a healthy addition to my meal planning today, because I grew this. I know what I put into these collard greens, and I know this is going to be a healthy part of my dinner, and my family will have a healthy food going into their body to make them big and strong. And that's what we want, right? We want foods that's going to give us the peace of mind, knowing that we're not putting a bunch of chemicals and preservatives and all that stuff into our body. So if you have not started growing, look, if I can do it, you can do it. Let's take a bite out of these greens and start ourselves on a healthy way of living. All right, guys, look how beautiful these are. They're almost as big as my head. Look at this. Huge. Beautiful. I love these collard greens. All right, guys, love you, and I will be talking to you guys in the next video. All right, take care. Get out there. Grow some of these greens. They're amazing. All right, guys, love you. Peace out. Get you some greens. You know you want some.